Discover a service experience like no other at Joe Machens Nissan with clear step-by-step communication. Here's what you can expect: easy appointment scheduling. Book your appointment by phone or online. Comprehensive check-ins. When you arrive, your service advisor will walk you through the vehicle check-in, discuss the scheduled services, and review any manufacturer recommendations specific to your car. Complete documentation. Every step of the process is recorded with photos and videos. Before any work begins, you'll review and sign off on everything. Technician walkthrough. Your certified technician will perform a video walkthrough, discussing your vehicle's condition, explaining completed services, and noting any additional findings. Multi-point inspection. Once the inspection is complete, your advisor will share the full report and video with you. You'll receive an easy-to-access inspection and recommendation report. Real-time decisions. Click onto your personal link to review, approve, or defer recommendations on your report. Quick, convenient checkout. After the service is complete, we'll notify you that your vehicle is ready to go. You can skip the cashier's line and pay online if you want. There are even financing options available if you need them. Satisfaction check. Later on, we'll follow up to ensure you're thrilled with your service and confirm that you had a 5-star experience with us. Schedule your service today and experience the difference at Joe Machens Nissan.